Hi everyone, this is Leah Mazzarella, and today I'm going to show you how to book your funeral service trips online. This is now the preferred method for booking, so it's important that we learn, but I promise it's very quick and easy and will hopefully streamline your processes as well as ours. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is go to our website, which is ameralimo.com. And once we go there, we want to look for these buttons that say quote request. There's going to be a few of them on the page. So there's one at the top left, there's one over here in the right, and if you're on your phone, there'll be 3 bars right here at the top left. When you click those, there's going to be a prompt right there that says quote request. So anywhere that says quote request is a live active button, and that takes you right to the form that you need to go to. So pretty easy, ameralimo.com, click quote request, and you'll get immediately to where you need to go. So once we're here, we're going to fill in our contact information, our trip details, the type of vehicles we need, and the itinerary. So let's get started. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to pretend like I'm a funeral director. So, my name is Leah Mazzarella. I want to put my name here because this is my service. I'm booking this for a Saturday service with the family I'm helping. I'm the director on this trip. So, if American Limo needs to call with any questions about the trip, about the vehicles, about the itinerary, about the passengers, whatever it is, they'll want to call me directly because I'll be able to give them the answers quickly and accurately. So right here, is this for a company? Yes. I'm going to say this is for Mazzarella Funeral Home. Again, we don't want to put our company name in this your name box. That's where we want to put the funeral director who will be on the trip. Then click yes, then put the funeral home name there. And then here in the email and phone boxes, it's important to put an email and a phone number where we can most quickly and easily reach the funeral director. Because this email is where we're going to send a confirmation email about the trip. That is where you'll see everything that we have booked for you and be able to review it for accuracy. This phone number, that is the phone number we're going to call if we have any questions. So it's important to put the email where we can reach you best, not just the funeral home general line or funeral home general email. Unless, of course, that is the quickest way to reach you. But the quickest way to reach me is at my direct work email and at my cell phone. Now we're on to our trip details. So the pickup location is, of course, Mazzarella Funeral Home, and the drop-off location, this is where I'm going to put every location we go to. Even though the family that we're transporting will end up coming back to Mazzarella Funeral Home, you can type all of the locations right here. So, drop off. Well, this is a Catholic family, so we're doing St. Francesca Catholic Church. We're going next to Mazzarella Cemetery for a burial. We're having a luncheon at Leah's Event Center, and then bringing the family back to Mazzarella Funeral Home. And the pickup date and pickup time, this is important here because for online bookings, these need to be made 36 hours prior to the date of service. So this is a service for this upcoming Saturday, the 24th. The pickup time is 9 a.m. So the latest I can book this online would be Thursday at 9 p.m. So really a good rule of thumb is to book this 2 days prior to the service. So please, please, please share that with your staff members or anyone who is responsible for booking transportation to do it 2 days before the service. Now, we understand that some of you are not able to always book 36 hours in advance. For example, those of you who serve the Jewish community, we understand that you need to bury within a certain period of time and may not always be able to do that within 36 hours prior to the service. So if that's the case, just call us. This is a process if you're able to do this 36 hours before, but we understand things happen. And in that case, don't go to our website, don't click on quote request, don't fill out this form, just go right to our phone number and call us. That way we can get you vehicles available and ready on the spot. So today is Tuesday. I'm in the clear for that Saturday service. Again, it's at 9 a.m. Let's say we have 10 family members. This type of event box, this is a drop-down menu. So it will automatically say limousine service just because it's the first item on the drop-down menu. Funeral service is the last item on the drop-down menu. So just scroll all the way down, click that, and you'll be set to go. Also, when you click funeral service on the drop-down menu, you'll get another alert. This is really just a mental check for you. Hey, are we doing this 36 hours prior to the service? If not, X out of this form and call our office. Next step is to pick our vehicles. This list allows you to pick as many vehicles as you need. So I'm going to need 2 6-door limousines. I'm going to need a hearse. I'm going to need escort vehicles. So make sure you're checking every type of vehicle that you'll need for your service. This is so you don't have to keep going back, click quote request, say, now I need a hearse, go back, click quote request, now I need escort vehicles. Pick all of the vehicles for this trip that you'll need right here. And then finally, we're going to fill in our additional information and our itinerary. So I'll start with the itinerary. They already know, but it's a 9 a.m. pickup at Mazzarella FH. It's a 10 a.m. service at St. Francesca. Procession to Mazzarella Cemetery. Let's say procession to burial at Mazzarella Cemetery. From there, of course, we'll lose the hearse and the escort vehicles, but the family still needs to go to the luncheon. So I'm going to say transport family to Leah's event center for, let's call this a 12:30 p.m. luncheon. Say the luncheon ends at 3:30. 3:30 p.m. transport family back to Mazzarella Funeral Home. So add as much detail as you can here. You'll get a confirmation email from the reservations team with all of your itinerary details in it. So you'll be able to double check that and make sure we have the right vehicles and we're going to the right places. So I'm also going to add a few notes. This is really your opportunity to communicate with our reservations team. So I will say 10:30 family members. So please provide 2 6-door limousines. They'll already know that from the number of passengers being 10, but let's just add that. I'm going to add that there is 1 wheelchair-bound family member. This way the driver knows they'll need to put a wheelchair in and out of the limousine trunk. I'm going to request a driver that I really like. I'm going to say Bob Mazzarella as hearse driver, if available. And I'm going to say Cadillac vehicles preferred. So all of my notes, requests, my itinerary, anything I want to communicate to the reservations team, I'm going to put right here in this box. So review everything before you submit it. That's the funeral director. This is the right email and the right phone number, so they'll be able to reach me quickly. I have the right date of service. I have the right number of passengers. I gave them a complete itinerary. I am ready to submit. So just click this red button and you'll be taken to a page with a record of everything you just wrote. And at the top of the page, there's a PDF. So this right here, just click that and you'll be taken to a PDF download. You can download this. You can print it. You can share this with your team. Keep this for your records. Again, when you click submit, that's just at the very top of the page. So just click that and you'll have a copy for your team. Also, remember that email we put in. You will get immediately an email from American Limousine Service under what's called a Cognito form. That's the service that provides these PDFs for us. So you'll have a copy of this PDF in your email. That makes it nice and easy for you to just forward to anyone on your team that needs to know about that. Also, look out for a confirmation email from our reservations department to this email. So you'll get an email from us with this PDF request, and then you'll get an email from us again confirming the trip. If we have any questions, we'll have your phone number. We'll call you if we need to, but otherwise, if you fill out this form, you'll get an email reserving this and confirming all of your trip details, and you'll be all set to go. So we hope this streamlines your processes. We hope it streamlines our processes and helps us both better serve your families. Thank you again for your business. Please reach out if you have any questions.